The Café 30-inch double oven is one of the only induction double ovens available in the market, but should you buy it? And that answer is it depends on what you cook and how you use it. In this video, you'll also learn the pros and cons of the Café. We'll even compare it to the only other semi-double oven, that Samsung Flex Duo, as well as other brands like Bosch, LG, and their profile line, so you'll have an idea whether this range or possibly another will be right for you. There are two reasons to buy the CHS 950 specifically. First is the ability to customize. You have 3 finishes, white, black, and stainless steel, with more finishes to come. You also have the ability to customize with a number of different handle and trim options. In New England, white with brass is popular, but black and copper is becoming fashionable as well. The other main feature is the double ovens. More specifically, you have a 2.4 cubic foot oven on the top with a convection 4.3 cubic foot below for the largest usable space you can buy. That 4.3 cubic foot oven is only a bit smaller than the Bosch and Miele ovens at 4.6 cubic feet. It's actually larger than the Fisher-Paykel at 3.5 cubic feet, and you don't have a second oven in any of those brands. The only other double oven is the Samsung Flex Duo, which is interesting because you can flex between 2 ovens with a divider or one larger 6.3 cubic foot oven. But the Samsung has temperature limitations, and you can't do many common temperatures while running both ovens at the same time. You don't have those constraints in a Café. Induction's a magnetic heat and the best for faster boiling with an instant response simmer. Induction's also the easiest to clean. We cover induction technology in other videos. The Café induction top is a bit better than average with a 3700 watt burner and 2 2500 watt elements that can be bridged to fit a griddle or oblong shaped pan. It's similar to their profile unit. You also have a smaller 1800 watt and a 100 watt warming element as well. You could buy higher output burners like LG at 4200 watts and the Samsung Flex Duo at 4000 watt, but their other burners are less powerful. Bosch has 3 power burners over 3600 watt, but still, Café will boil well with the ability to combine those 2 elements. The cons to any double oven in this style is the height of the lower oven. It's just inches off the ground. Of course, the pro is the smaller oven. You don't bend at all, and it's great for food like casserole or baking cookies. Café is a bit pricey at over $4,100, plus the various customizations can cost as much as $700 more. Only Miele, with its incredible MasterChef controls and ability to use steam assist cooking, and Wolf, with its unique convection system and Wolf Gourmet controls, are more expensive. Based on over 34,000 service calls logged by our service department just last year, Café was better than the average at 9.3% service in the first year. In fact, only Bosch was better at 5.4%. GE also has their own service department, which is important if you're buying from a store without service. What do you think? Do you like the Café or another brand? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the best induction ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.